Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. I hope all you are doing good. So let's see what are plans for tomorrow. So I told you guys already, so this is a very solid trend line which was definitely respected here and it came down, and this was a very good support. Okay, this support was respected in the morning for a very long time. It broke but it did not breach 22,000 215 so we had no opportunities of shorting it, but it did go on the upper side, and exactly when it came here I entered it. That is at 130 something. I entered it here and this was my stop loss, and I captured this move till here. Okay, till here I captured it. That is 1:3. Now tomorrow, where is my plan? I'll tell you. It is in a very good place now. All-time high. It's in a very good place now. It might come down tomorrow because of the profit booking. So if I get a price of 22450, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and 30 point will be my stop loss, and target I don't know, depending on the trailing. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what happened? It did breach today. Very good breach happened, and it started going up. So what are my plans for tomorrow? This is my plan. So if I get a price of 47875, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be 100 point to 120 point. Okay, nothing more than that. I know many people say keep 30 point stop loss, 40 point stop loss, but trust me, it will hit your SL and it will keep going on your direction. This was a very good trade. We are done with it. So this is where I'm expecting, and this will act as a very good resistance now. So booking profits here makes a lot of sense. All right. Next we have US oil. US oil, I'm waiting on this position now. If you guys see on 4-hour time frame, this was a good base and this is a good resistance. On 1-hour time frame, this is a good resistance here. The resistance has been broken now, and this is a double bottom. Let's keep it like this is a double bottom. This is one second, I'll show you. This is a bottom and this is a bottom, and after that it started going up. This neckline was broken, now it's up. So I have entered exactly at $79.60. My stop loss is at $79.10. It is a kind of a big stop loss, but it's totally fine. But the risk to reward is bigger on the front. I'm expecting a target of $81.80. Once it comes, I'll be booking it. But I'll be buying more. I'll be adding more only post $83.50. Nothing before that. Okay, next is gold. Gold, I'm still waiting for my target from yesterday. It was totally on sideways, and my stop loss is still at 2120. I'm waiting for my target. Once my target is achieved, I'm out of this place. I'll be adding more position only post 2154 or 2155. Before that, I have no trades in gold. We have 4 stocks for swing trading. First is Bajaj Autos. Okay, this is an old trade which was given on November. Yeah, if you guys go to November 16th video, if you guys see, this I would have given this. Okay, November, and now again we are at this level, that is 8699. Okay, so if Bajaj Auto breaches around 8699 or 867, 8700 and above, and if it withholds its level, then I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it. In daily time frame, I do see good moment. This is a very good buying happening. It's a good volume. If it crosses above and survives, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 8470. Okay, next is Zomato. Zomato on a weekly time frame, if you guys see, this is its all-time high. It's broken and it's here. If it crosses 171, 172 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 157. Next is Kirloskar. Kirloskar brothers, good volumes and good breakout. This is the all-time high, recent all-time high, which has been broken. That is the only reason behind this trade. If we get a price of 1071 to 1156, we'll be definitely buying it, and my stop loss will be at 1018. Next is Exide. This is a very good trend line on weekly time frame, and even on a daily time frame, it's a very good trend line. If you guys see, this was a manipulation, then went back, then again it took support and it is going up. So basically what are we gonna do here is, if price crosses this candle above, that is 326 and above, I will be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 313. If it breaches on the lower side, if it breaches 314 and below, I will be selling it, and here my stop loss will be at above this candle. But to be honest, this is the swing, so here is where the stop loss should be. 333 should be the stop loss. Downside, we don't know how far it's gonna go, because this is a very good up move. It can come down till this and then go back up. It can come till 283 and then go up. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Only if you support, I'll be able to grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.